Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix downloaded photos or videos from WhatsApp group chat not showing in your gallery. Okay, let's get into it. If you have downloaded photos or videos from your WhatsApp group chat and then they're not showing in your gallery, don't worry guys, because here I've got you covered. If you want to fix that, you have to check your media visibility on the group chat. Maybe you haven't activated the media visibility. You need to go to the WhatsApp group chat. For instance, I'm just going to open this group chat. Then we can click on the group chat's name and you have to go to the media visibility right here. And you have to click on yes, like this, then click on OK. Alright, and if you have activated this feature and then the media is still not showing in your gallery, maybe you have to check your storage. Maybe your phone is out of storage, so you have to delete some unused files from your phone. And then you can check it in your gallery again whether the media has been shown or not. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix the downloaded photos or videos from WhatsApp group chat not showing in a gallery. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.